Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this automatic Renault Captur. So this vehicle has 17-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry, there's tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's leather interior with heated front seats. You get sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.